Sisemkhuze namhlanje e-Digital Center yaseMoses Kotane Research Institute, established Moses Kotane Research Institute. Kahle kahle sise-airport. Le Digital Center yethu is right at the entrance of the airport yaseMkhuze, to cater for business people basendaweni ukuthi mabehla nje mhlambe befuna ukushaya i-proposal quickly or prepare their speeches quickly. Innovators zendawo mabefuna ukungena bashaya izinto zabo on the computers, they can come in for free and use the computer systems there. Today we're running a digital literacy class there at the Digital Center. So as our principals will be going there to launch today, MEC Omeya Bendawo bazobona iklasi live liqhubeka likusho. So businesses zendawo, go in, access the facilities, sit there, do your business proposals, nibe right. Sikhulumi economy, sikhulumi imali. We're going digital, one way.